Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on automatic replies on Gmail. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I can do it. So automatic replies are basically automatic emails that you can get once you send to basically any big corporation or any big company that receives a lot of emails. You would almost certainly get an email that tells you due to the Hive requests that we get every day is you're going to expect we're going to get some time. You're going to wait until some time for your email to be responded. So yeah, this is basically the automatic replier. Now on Gmail, it's pretty different. It has a different name. It's called the vacation responder. So how we can do this is actually we're going to open Gmail, and now from Gmail we're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. Now from the top left corner, we're going to scroll down all the way to settings. Now, from settings, you're going to click on your whatever email you want to have the automatic replier on. For my case, this one, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit right until something called vacation responder. Now, from the vacation responder, you're going to turn it on, and then you're going to just change. You're going to change make the last day none, and the first day also the day that you want, like your own day. Okay, and yeah, basically this is how you can turn on the vacation responder. Anytime that someone sends you an email, you're going to get the reply that basically you have to wait or whatever subject you want. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also